Hey everybody, this is Paxton Smith again at realtimemath.com, your link to live online math help. And in today's arithmetic series video, I'm going to take a quick look at exponents, just a little bit of help for everyone out there who's struggling with exponents, make sure we understand that correct notation, what it really means. So here I've got up here 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. Alright? You can write this big long factored out thing as 4 to the 5th. So you can think of exponents really as repeated multiplication. So it's much easier to write 4 with a little superscript here of 5, 4 to the 5th power. It's much easier to write that, as you can tell, than writing out this long list of factors here. Now with exponents, you're always multiplying the base, which is your big number here, by itself a certain number of times, and that number of times is indicated by the exponent or the power, and it's also a superscript. So 4 to the 5th is again exactly the same as saying 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. Okay? So another example is 4 squared or 4 cubed. 4 squared is 4 to the 2nd power, 4 cubed is 4 to the 3rd. And a common mistake is to think that 4 squared means to do 4 times 2, or that 4 to the 5th means to do 4 times 5. Okay, that's not what it means. 4 squared means 4 times 4, which is 16. Again, I've given us here 2 to the 4th power, and I just want to clarify that 2 to the 4th is written in exponential form. Now if you want to write it out in its factored form, you'd see 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And the actual value of 2 to the 4th, when you do that, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 again is 8, times 2 one more time gives us 16. When you convert from exponential form and you write it just as a single number like we're used to seeing, that's called standard form. So just make sure you understand that standard form is just one number. Exponential form is going to be your base with the exponent. Again, the number of times that you're going to multiply that base by itself. Okay, and lastly, as an example, I have here 5 times 5 times 5 times 7 times 7. In exponential form, that would look like 5 cubed, or 5 to the 3rd power, times 7 squared. So again, this would be 5 cubed times 7 squared. And in standard form, we would go ahead and do 5 cubed, and we get 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 again, and down here we get 125 from that. And 7 squared is going to just be 7 times 7. And down here we get 49. So if you wanted to convert from this form here into standard form, and you go ahead and multiply 125 times 49, and that would give you a total of 6,125. Again, that can also be written in exponential form as 5 cubed times 7 squared. We'll keep coming back to more on exponents, especially in the beginning algebra and intermediate algebra series. And we'll also look at some stuff with exponents coming up here soon in the arithmetic series when we look at fractions raised to an exponent. So check out my website, realtimemath.com. Again, I'm Paxton Smith, and thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.